Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek, and I help Shopify sellers to set up, organize, and streamline their financial systems. Whether you're looking for DIY, done with you, or done for you integrations and bookkeeping. In this video, I'll talk about whether QuickBooks Commerce is a good fit for your Shopify to QuickBooks Online integration. Have you heard of QuickBooks Commerce? QuickBooks Commerce is a new e-commerce integration built right into QuickBooks Online. According to their website, it works with Shopify, Amazon, and eBay. QuickBooks Commerce automatically brings in your orders and payouts from Shopify and sends them into QuickBooks. It sounds great, but is it a right fit for Shopify sellers? Let's go over the pros and cons. We'll start with the pros. The first pro, QuickBooks Commerce, and I'll refer to it as Commerce going forward, is built into QuickBooks Online, and as of the time that I'm making this video, there is no additional charge for using Commerce. It's included in every version of QuickBooks Online, which is very convenient and economical. The second pro, Commerce sends over one daily summarized sales receipt and one daily payout entry into QuickBooks Online. So that's super streamlined. We're not dumping data into QuickBooks. That's great. Third pro, payouts received from Shopify payments match up exactly to the payouts recorded by Commerce. That's great. That saves a lot of time. And the fourth pro, Commerce records Shopify payment processing fees. Again, super streamlined, very simple. And the last pro, Commerce seems easy to use. So again, you would think that it's a great fit for Shopify. But now let's take a look at the cons. As of the time that I'm making this video, Commerce only works with Shopify payments. So if you're using other payment processors, Commerce has no workflow for recording payment processor fees and payouts. Another con, Commerce doesn't have a dedicated support team to work with you if you run into a problem. And the third con, few accounting professionals are familiar with how to use Commerce. So as a result, you and your accountant will likely be trying to figure out how to use it together. Because of the cons, at this point, I would encourage Shopify sellers to wait until Commerce adds more functionality, in particular, a workflow for working with third-party payment processors. So if Commerce is not a good fit for Shopify sellers, then what can you use to integrate QuickBooks and Shopify? My go-to app is A2X. A2X records one summarized entry per day for each payment processor. It also makes it easy to set up workflows for reconciling payouts received from Shopify payments and other payment processors. A2X has a great support team, and they also have a partner directory so that you can find a qualified A2X pro who can help you to get your integration set up. I'll go ahead and link A2X for you in the description and share a discount code with you. If you'd like to learn more about A2X, I'll also link a couple of videos for you in the description. So let me know in the comments if you're using QuickBooks Commerce and how you like it. I'm Veronica Wasek. If you need help setting up your QuickBooks to Shopify integration, my team and I specialize in helping Shopify sellers to set up and streamline their Shopify to QuickBooks Online integrations. To learn more about my services, check the description below to see if we might be a good fit for working together. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. Also, check the description below for all of my free resources, including my free Shopify bookkeeping blueprint and the link to join my Facebook community. I'll see you next time.